Hello everyone. Today we are drawing Easter Bunny. Let's draw with me. First we draw eyes. Small nose. Hairband. Then we draw face. Ears. Then we will draw ears. Now we will draw her body. A basket full of Easter eggs. Pink color in ears. Mauve color in hairband.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider.
Mauve color on the top.
Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout.
Yellow color in
again.
Easter eggs. Green in the basket. Yellow on the nose. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.